How to delete all of your messages on TikTok at once. TikTok does not offer a built-in feature to delete all your messages at once, but however, here is the method you can use to manage and delete your messages. Now, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, navigate to the messages section. Tap on the messages option available at the bottom tab. Once inside the messages, look for the conversation you wish to delete. So basically, you'll have to delete all of the conversation manually or individually. You cannot delete all of them once. Now, swipe left on the conversation you wish to delete. Once you swipe left, you will get to see options delete appear. Now tap on the delete option, then tap on the confirm. And that is it. Repeat this step for each conversation you want to remove. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.